Hey Cakenistas, something just happened on my phone. Oh, I already delivered that. Creme brulee and chocolate chip muffins with cream cheese filling. Oh, that reminds me, that's what we're actually gonna be making today. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make chocolate muffins. Cheesecake stuffed chocolate muffins. This was actually a birthday request, which was, I don't want to say it was odd, you know, people like what they like. I would take pie in a heartbeat if somebody gave me the option. So we're gonna make some muffins. Now this is a recipe that I'm trying out for the first time. One of those test kitchen videos in a sense. I mean, when it's stuffed with cheesecake, you kind of can't go wrong. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, Cakenistas, let's make some breakfast, okay? So I have all of my ingredients here. Not too many ingredients at all. I have some all-purpose flour, which I'm going to put into my sifter and bowl. I'm going to add to that my cocoa powder, sifting all of the dry ingredients together. That was such an awkward sift, wasn't it? Because of that silicone spatula, but it works out. So next I'm going to add in my chocolate chips, and I do like to add my chocolate chips into flour first because it gives those chocolate chips a light dusting of flour and allows for some of them to stay on top of the cake. All right, I left a few behind, if you notice as well, for the end. I add in my sugar, and then separately I'm going to combine my milk, melted butter, and egg. I'm going to mix everything together thoroughly. This is the time where you would even add in some extract if you would like, vanilla extract, or maybe even a tablespoon or two of coffee or whatever, you know, whatever. Then we're going to combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Give that a quick mix. And now we're gonna make our cream cheese filling. So simple. You just need a pound of cream cheese. Make sure that it is soft. We add in some sugar. And then you can add in an egg also. That is optional. I do it without the egg. So now I have my cupcake pan ready with some liners. I'm going to fill my cupcake liners up halfway. And yes, my cupcake pan is clean, okay? It came out of the dishwasher, and the dishwasher is not good for scrubbing hardcore, you know. So I just needed to buy some Brillo. And now I'm going to take a small ice cream scoop and scoop a good amount. That's probably like a tablespoon and a half of that cheesecake filling into each cupcake liner. Now remember to leave enough space so that you don't overflow your batter. If you have an actual muffin pan, which I don't, definitely use that so that you have a little more space to get a substantial amount of filling and muffin. As I look at my struggle bus of a cupcake pan, wishing that I had a muffin pan, it reminds me, for 2023, let's all invest in ourselves so that we can create the best products, the best things, whatever. We can just really let our creativity shine. We don't have to be held back by stinky, janky equipment and tools. Hashtag New Year's resolutions. So lastly, I'm going to add a few more chocolate chips on top. I would have loved to add some of those large sugar granules because I love one of the, oh my goodness, those chocolate muffins that crunch on top. It's got me stuttering a little bit. My oven has been heating up at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These are going to bake for about 18 minutes. So these are the muffins fresh out of the oven, and honestly I was a little bit disappointed because there's no dome, but that's because there's a filling. You can even see a little bit of crackage and sinkage situation, once again because there's a filling. So that is a problem that we will take with a smile on our face. So I actually have some leftover chocolate frosting which I'm going to use to decorate my muffins, and I'm also going to do some chocolate drizzle as well. Now typically muffins aren't decorated, but like I said, these are really flat and I just want to give them some eye appeal, and why not? Why not? Okay, we have cheesecake. We're already non-traditional here. Might as well make it funky all the way through. I am going to do a little swivel action with a spoon, which is totally unnecessary. It's just me being me, you know. Now I want to open up one of these muffins. This is one without the filling. This is the one that I had to taste myself, and you can see the texture is gorgeous. It is fluffy, it is obviously moist, it's got chocolate chips all throughout, and I love that the sweetness is not too sweet. It is a really good balance of sweetness. Now I'm going to add some gold leaf because breakfast, okay? So because these are birthday muffins, I added a happy birthday rice paper topper and some more chocolate chips, and that completed these muffins. Couture and cheesesteak. Oh, I need to head over to the cheesesteak spot right now. Oh man, comment your favorite cheesesteak spot below. Couture and cheesecake stuffed chocolate muffins. Bye guys. So I would say these were a winner, especially by the time that you've decorated them. You know what I love? The pumpkin muffins from Starbucks. The Cake Nista comment of the day is going to go to Kalila Williams on my The Simpsons dope nut cake and Homer video. Kalila says, dope. Thank you. Thank you. I feel like that video is like a forgotten gem, but it is definitely a good video. That was one of the first few food cakes that I did on my channel. That turned out really, really amazing. So I'm glad that you all are still watching it. Thank you so much for commenting. I definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to share these videos. If you'd like to be featured in the next video, just comment down below. Say hello. Be subscribed to the channel because it makes no sense if you're not. Okay. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, Cake Nistas. Don't eat my shirt, Scotty. Are you chewing my shirt, Scotty? I know you don't do that, but I just wonder what you're getting down on over there.